Hello friends, this is Rajul Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, BARD, Gandhinagar. In object-oriented programming, Java, previously we have discussed the mathematical function as well as if statement and switch case. Here in this session we will discuss about the while loop and for loop. So why we require the while loop? While and do while, two types. While and do while loops are also used for repetitive operation. The operation are slightly different than for loop, but same operation can be implemented for while or do while. Here major difference between do while and while we will discuss one by one. First of all, this is the syntax. So while in the bracket we require the expression, boolean expression, and in this body part we require the statement, whatever the execution of while. Let me check with example. Here flow of while, like first enter and check the condition. While condition will check at starting point. So in the body part we required, if condition is satisfied, then conditional code will covered. If condition is true, means this while statement performing the true, so code block will be execute, means statement is execute. Otherwise this portion, that is called if condition is false. If condition means it is not a if statement, here while is used. So condition is false, then it terminated, while is terminated. In the same class, previously we have tried on test class, so name of the class is test.java. Here value integer x is equal to 10 while x less than 20. Here statement is changed. Instead of if statement we are using while. So while in the bracket x less than 20 means this is the true statement. X value is 10 and already x is less than 20. So system.out.println value of x, you can write here value of x, this is the simple message, and plus sign attach the value, and we increment the value of x by x plus plus shorthand operator, increment operator. In the do while, let me discuss what is the difference between while and do while. Here main difference, do statement is execute first, then while condition is executed. So first statement will execute, then condition is come. Same way for while loop. Here the flow of while loop, do condition code, then while condition will execute. Do in this statement code block of code, that is statement is execute, and later on the condition will check if condition is true or false. If condition become true, so the code of block is perform, otherwise condition become false, so it will be terminated. Same class like test.java. So public static void main string argument s required integer x is equal to 10, that is our initial value we have declared. Do, then simple statement block of code that will be execute first, so x plus plus, and finally we check the condition by using while. So while x less than 20, condition will check after the execution of code. Block of code will be execute first, then condition will execute. In the for loop, this is the syntax of for loop. For in the bracket initialization, boolean expression, semicolon, update. Each and every portion covered with semicolon. So for in the bracket initialization. Initialization means declaration, whatever we have declared, integer a is equal to 10, I is equal to 0. Then here Boolean expression means condition like I less than 20, a less than b. Then update means it work with increment, either increment or decrement. Your value will be increase or decrease. So this is the simple syntax of for loop. After performing this statement, after performing this for loop, here statement or block of the code will execute. So this is the figure of for loop. For init means initialization, then we perform the condition, and increment or decrement will be performed. So here condition code that perform init condition. In the second part we are performing the condition. So it is a loop, one type of a loop. If condition is executed continuously, then code block will be executed if condition become a true, and also it cover with increment. So this loop back that call to the again condition, it check condition is true or not, and up to end it will be performed when if condition become a false, when it become a false. So mostly programmer in company for loop is useful for providing for performing the operation as well as developing purpose. This is a simple example like test class. So here the for loop is used for integer x is equal to 10. Here second Boolean expression condition is used x less than 20, and here updation that is called either increment or decrement will perform. So x is equal to x plus 1 is one increment. Here you can write here simple system.out.println and value of x is equal to or value of x. So by using plus sign we append the value of x. So in the x either increment will be reflect or decrement will be reflect. This is the end of body for loop as well as main. Thank you for attending the session. If you have query regarding to this chapter, you can ask the query. We will discuss the programming section later on related to this chapter in practical session. In this chapter, important question is difference between while loop as well as do while loop, and important question also covered like if statement, nested if, switch case, for loop, and program on base of while and do while as well as for loop, like program to display the first n natural number using the while loop, summation of two numbers, sum of